All right, Adam, take number 2 of the 1 for bum firing. And his gun fails. Take 4. God damn it. Take 83. Good to go. Miss.
Hit it?
No, that was a miss. Don't make me grab my 22. You know, if you put that down, it'd probably help your accuracy a little.
We're awesome. I know.
Does the sharpshooter Joe need to take a chance?
For reals?
This makes me laugh. Any day now.
It's all you.
You have any rounds? You have any rounds left?
I got 5.
Damn it!
Fail.
So we'll have to take 2 of this, and I'll grab my 20.
Recording.
Oh yeah. That's not feeling good.
I don't want your brass. Come on, you can hit it. Not that hard.
Apparently it is. If I put the bayonet out.
There you go.
God damn it. Fucking A!
What?
Come on! You serious?
Good.
hate that thing.
See how this goes?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's manly right there.
I wonder where that went.
We'll see.
North Dakota, probably.
Yeah.
What?
I said North Dakota, probably. Rolling.
Are you serious? I've seen that, right?
Yeah.
God.
Really? Wow.
I hit that thing like every time almost.
Yeah, damn near.
Well, okay, I gotta see how fucked up this thing.
Are you actually recording that on his camera?
I do not approve, sir. I believe that is not proper range etiquette. Whoa!
So I don't want you to shoot your gun.